everyone, I am Mahi Dave and I am a kids yoga teacher. So today I am going to give you a tutorial of how to do Badhh Padmasana. Badhh Padmasana is commonly referred to as Padmasan only in ancient yogic scripts, while simple Padmasana is always referred to as Mukta Padmasana. People with post major surgeries and having serious leg injuries should take consent of doctor before practicing this pose. So for doing this pose, you have to place your right heel on your left thigh and left heel on your right thigh. Then now you have to hold your right leg with your right hand and left leg with your left hand. This is Badhh Padmasana. You should do semi Jalandhar Bandh and the drishti should be Nasagra. Slowly come back by releasing your hands from your legs and sit down comfortably. This pose is very beneficial for neurological problems. It also improves your neurological, cardiovascular and respiratory system. This pose is very helpful for people and students looking for a gain in their memory, and it also improves your concentration and improves your growth and height. This pose can be maintained for a minute. Thank you. Bye.